We have new information about the shooting death of one-year-old Malaysia Robeson. Detectives now say the case isn't closed, despite two men being charged with murder. 24-hour News 8's Tim McNicholas is live outside police headquarters tonight. And Tim, officers still looking for two women.
Yeah, that's right. Their names are Dara Banks and Sydney Gwynn. Police say they are not suspects, but detectives want to talk with them. Prosecutors believe these women were with the suspects during the shooting the morning of March 29th. A judge entered not guilty pleas today for 29-year-old Brian Palmer and 27-year-old Darren Banks, both charged with murder and battery by means of a deadly weapon.
When anyone is gunned down, but particularly someone as innocent as a one-year-old, it is morally unacceptable to stand idly by and not participate. And the community, I think, appreciates that, and I want to thank the community.
Court documents state the men confessed to shooting at this home knowing that people were inside. According to court records, they said they were angry about a fight that injured Banks's pregnant sister. Detectives believe Sydney Gwynn and Darren's relative, Dara Banks, were in the car when the suspects fired the guns. Investigators say one man stepped out to shoot and the other fired from the back seat. Prosecutors say they are not pursuing the death penalty.
There's certainly no indication that these individuals have been charged were firing into the house, anticipating that they were going to kill this particular victim.
Prosecutors say Darren Banks and Palmer could face life without parole.
They made a mistake, and I know they weren't trying to shoot Malaysia.
Malaysia's grandfather said last week whoever shot Malaysia does not deserve a life sentence.
I don't want to see anybody lose their entire youth over this situation, because they're able to recover and become a more productive citizen and learn from this situation.
Palmer's sister did not want to talk to us outside the courtroom. According to court documents, the shooting may have stemmed from a social media argument, but prosecutors won't reveal the reason for that fight. Investigators say they got a search warrant, found two AR-style rifles in Palmer's car. Prosecutors say it was legal for the suspects to carry those rifles. Under Indiana state law, you do not need a permit to carry a rifle. Banks and Palmer can hire lawyers and change their not guilty pleas within the next few weeks if they'd like. Live downtown, I'm Tim McNicholas, 24-hour News 8.